Hey everyone, I hope all of you are doing great. As per the initial plan, we are at last video of Codium AI series, PR assistance. I hope so far you are finding it interesting evaluating the tool that is available out there to assist us as a developer and make our life easier. How useful they are. So far we have seen a lot. At some places it is doing outstanding job. Sometimes some places it sucks, actually not working at all, the beyond expectation. Let's see how this feature goes in here, that is PR assist. So let me take you to the IntelliJ ID and show you this. So in here, as always, you see when you have installed Codium AI, anywhere you see, go to this plugin in here, go to open test panel on this one. So in this one, we are interested in open Codium AI PR assist, this setting that is in here. This is the one place you can open it, and another one is on the left side, this panel. If you are seeing, there is this directly coming in Codium AI PR assist. Okay, when you open this one, you will see the instruction and this panel in here, details about the PR assist. This is the first time, this is actually the paid feature of Codium AI, and I am on trial period. That is why I am able to use some of the features. Your trial ends in 14 days actually. Okay, so but we can try that, how it is doing there. So these are the commands, how we can use it. So if this is the chat window that you are seeing, and it is saying that use slash for commands or ask a question. These are certain things I can do with this one, slash review, slash commit, and slash improve. And these are the things that it is going to do that. And if I click slash in here, it is going to give us all the commands that are available here. So last one is the help. So this is the first command you want to pick in, like help, how it works, all the things it is going to give us. So let's do one by one. First, I'm going to say ask. It appears there are no changes in the main compared to origin main. It is saying that there is no code change. First thing is that there has to be some code changes in your repository so that it can detect that change and suggest, like PR assist. It's all about the changes that I want to make it, right? I want to make. So if I'm going to commit in here, I see there are couple of changes in here, right? But it is not able to see. Maybe I'm in the main branch in here directly. That is why it is not able to do that. So let me create a new branch in here. Okay. So I'm asking, so Codium AI PR assist. Okay, by this name I'm going to create this branch. So it will check out this one and will change this again. So checked out this new branch, so I can see the new branch in here. So come here again. So if I go to commit in here, so I should be able to see the same changes in here that are there. So coming in here again, so say ask again. Again it is saying, so it does not matter I am on the feature branch or main branch, it should be able to detect that change and give me the details. So again type help to see what options I have. So come to describe. Again it is saying there is no commit. Try commit feature. Yeah, when using commit, it is able to identify the change and ask, like suggesting me the change. Refactor product line service and product line for improved readability and maintainability. Refactor this one. So it has given me sort of commit message that I need. Whenever like actually I do commit in my organization, what I do, I'll just write couple of words there, and that makes really difficult for the reviewer to see from the PR itself what changes are coming in. So there is valid and meaningful message, then it makes sense. It makes clear from that commit message in itself what changes is going in. This is giving that message in here. I can use copy this one and commit the changes using this one, right? So this is the one thing. Again, let's write the help in here, commit, improve, review. So let's try improve. It is not able to exit after committing and pushing changes to your branch. After committing and posting changes to your branch. Okay, so it is asking me like commit the changes and then ask me. So let me okay, so I can use that commit message that was there. That is where I should be using this one. So it should have copied this one. I'm committing this one, right? Paste that commit message, commit and push. Some warnings it is giving me, so I'm not concerned about that one. So it is just committed these things. It has committed. Now come again on this one and improve. Yeah, here are the improvements of committed changes on Codium AI PR assist. Okay, this is interesting to see what it has given me. Code suggestion. How am I going to read this? Maybe I'm not at the right place or anything, but it's not working at all. Let's try another command, ask, because it was also asking me to do the same thing. Okay, the Codium chat isn't, the PR includes the following changes. It is, so basically it is giving me the last commit whatever I have made in here. Answer includes the following changes, this. Yeah, this is doing the same thing. Let's try another thing, describe, give a title. Yeah. Refactor. So but it is not giving me at the right place where I need it. So improve, review, processing your review request. Basically it is trying to review the MR that is there, so it should be pulling in there. Okay, PR analysis, refactoring of this one for improved readability and maintainability. PR summary, relevant test added, false, estimated effort to review. PR level refactoring, estimated effort to review because it's in a straightforward and primarily reviewing this one. PR fix general suggestion. This is giving me these things. So these are the things that it is giving me the idea. I'm not finding this much useful other than that describe and commit, that it is giving me the commit message and other things. So I look for more changes. So basically this PR assist, I should be able to install that on the GitHub repository that is there. So let me open the repository if I'm able to open this from in here. Okay, so not from here. Get share project on GitHub, sync fork, view pull request, create pull request. Yeah, basically I needed this. So this is the GitHub that is there. That is what I was saying, I should be able to install it somewhere in here, and whenever I am raising that MR in here, so the changes that I have put in here, so this is the thing, and compare and pull request, Codium AI, these are the changes that I have made in here. So if I see the changes, add title and all that it is giving me. So these titles, if I come to IntelliJ ID in here, PR assist, okay, so if I go to the changes, include description and all that, so I can copy this, and while raising the MR I can write this as a description, and this is the thing that is going in here. So I can change the create the pull request in here. Okay, so I can see the description of the changes, files changed in here. So I should be able to see that Codium AI suggesting the changes at this place. I want that review to be happening at this place in here. So I should be able to install that Codium AI plugin somewhere in GitHub, okay, and try this whatever suggestion that it is giving me ID, it should be able to give me that at this place. I'm going to try that out, see whether that option is available or not. If it is there, I'll come up with that video as well. So far I'll conclude this PR assistant here. Let me know how you found it, like the review, kind of like the first time user of this Codium AI, not the expert one. If you're using it, is there any better way that I can get help from this one? Everything what is coming in your mind, please put that in comment section so that we can help each other in here. If you found this useful, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel to get more topics around this one. I'll see you in the next video in the next topic. Till then, take care. Bye bye.